an online game. It's called Path of Exile. It's an online action RPG. You know, you kill monsters and get loot and level up and that kind of stuff. Yeah, we effectively have a company. We've got about 240 people in West Auckland, you know, we continue to be successful. We recently launched into early access Path of Exile 2. That's gone very well as well. We got to #1 on Steam, which is the largest sort of game distribution platform. Yeah, we're obviously been very successful.
240 staff in New Zealand now, I think. And it's interesting your own path. You were 20-year-olds, I think, knocking around a garage. And actually, it was an earlier game that you were missing. An earlier game you were missing, if I understand it. Perhaps there's a bit of a gap after. Was it Diablo?
Yeah. So we were really inspired by Diablo 2, and there was a long period of time there where that game was not being made. I was fresh out of university.
Shit!
I always wanted to be a game
What
developer.
the fuck is this?